you have a GX470 or any car and want some simple, budget-friendly mods that make a difference, this one's for you. Here's 7 mods that instantly improve your car. Let's go. This should be your first mod, swapping all the interior lights with LED ones. All you gotta do is pop out your clip, take out your old light, and pop in your new one. Put your cover back on. Just like that, you got LED lights. Now we're gonna go around the whole car and swap every single one, and it's gonna look brand new. Out with the old, in with the new. Make sure the light is facing this part. Just like that, every light is replaced, even the license plate lights. Get some quick shots at night right here. Next up is doing our window molding. It's pretty bad. We're gonna be getting rid of this chrome trim and replacing it with some good stuff. Bend it like so, and then all your clips should start popping out. Look at this insane difference. This is our old one and this is our new one. Nice comparison right there of why you should do this. Really simple too. All product links in this video will be in the description below. That's our new stuff. Nice simple black, new weather stripping. And then here's the old. New versus old. Same process right here. Should be pretty quick. We just went from this to this. Next up, we're gonna be transforming our interior and wrapping all the interior trim pieces and swapping some out with some aftermarket ones. Pop off these interior pieces. It's pretty simple. You kind of just get something to pop them off and then they literally just pop right out. Same with the other side. The door cards are a different story. You have to take out all the bolts and pop them off to get to the back bolts of this, but we're gonna do these last. Same with this one on this side. Kind of just pop it in there and it just comes right out. To get these trim pieces out, it's pretty simple. You take off this trim piece and this trim piece over here. Just stick your prying tool in there and they'll pop right out. Same with this side. And then you're gonna wanna remove that Phillips head over there. But when you're prying these off, just be careful. They are known to break when you take them off. I have replacements, so I'm not too worried about that. This is exactly what I mean by it breaking. This thing's shattered to pieces. You're gonna have one harness you're gonna have to take out. Just find the clip. But this thing is ruined after that. Now we gotta start removing all this stuff. So first we're gonna start by taking off our shift knob boot, our transfer case boot as well. And then it's pretty simple. You just gotta pull this up and then it will release everything. We do have one Phillips head to remove. There is some wiring that you're gonna have to remove as well. And then you're good to go. Before we go inside and wrap all these pieces, we have to get all the door cards off to pull these off. It's pretty simple. You just have to pop this, this, and this. And then there will be 3 Phillips you have to just zip off and then pull the bottom tabs and then pull it right up. We're gonna bring all those pieces inside and get them wrapped.
When you're wrapping, you just want to make sure you take your time, because one small mistake can lead you to redoing the whole thing.
Our first piece is done. We're going to attempt to do the hardest piece. This is where all your buttons and shifter is, so it looks very intricate. We're going to give it our best shot. So we're going to get sanding it down and then cut a piece for it. Looks pretty good. We're gonna put everything in, see if it looks proper still. This is our final product. Came out honestly so phenomenal. I'm very happy with how it came out. Now I just gotta go throw them back in the car. Should be pretty easy. This took way too long wrapping. I would honestly just spray paint it because that took way too long. And if we look over here, oh my light overall. Stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing put all back together. I'm super hyped to get it all done. Don't forget to connect all your stuff again too. And just like that, you have yourself a brand new interior. I highly recommend doing this to any of your cars. But next mod is seat jackers. Not the expensive ones, the Amazon versions. They're already installed, but I'm gonna show you.
Those things with the stars is what I'm talking about.
They essentially make the seat go like this because the ergonomics of the Lexus seat and way you move it is not the best. So basically look
At this seat, it's a little more tilted up
rather than that one back there.
Here's a good, better look at them.
This next mod is really only for GX470 owners. If you take
your side steps off, you have all these holes that are just exposed to dirt and anything that can get in them.
So what I did is I went on Amazon, the OEM clips and some clear silicone, and you silicone the outside and then press them in, and then it should be pretty sealed. That is the final product. It should hold up pretty well. I just gotta wait for the silicone to dry, and it's gonna be docked.
All of them are good to go.
Last but not least, on what to do to your GX that's simple and efficient, is add a magnetic phone mount. In my case, I'm gonna be putting it right here. In my previous build, I had it up here, but I don't really wanna object any view. So I'm just gonna put this mount right there. Just get a magnetic mount thing and then some double-sided 3M tape on the back, and then just stick it right on. Those are all of our easy modifications for your GX or any car that just make it feel more modern and more up to date. Most of them are under $30, which means it is very budget friendly and makes a huge difference. Let me know what you would add to the list of all of these modifications. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this on easy modifications that make a difference.